All right, here's what you can expect as we go through the evening. We're seeing temperatures falling out of the 20s in Fargo down to 16 degrees. The cool spot up there in Cavalier at 9. It's 3 in Gwinner as well. Pretty chilly and near 20 for our neighbors in Detroit Lakes. So I take a look at the Hector readings right now. We have a little bit of a wind, but only 5 miles per hour with that 16-degree reading and cloudy skies. Here's a look at the radar. Not everybody is quiet. We have some very light flurries of snow working their way through the Devils Lake Basin, moving out of Devils Lake and towards the Michigan area. Also Walsh County near Park River to Grafton, seeing some very light snow showers. Not a lot of significance as far as accumulation goes. And this system way down here causing rain and snow and not far from Phoenix to be working its way in our direction by tomorrow. So here's how things change as we go through the evening hours. The cloud and snow chances will continue up in the Northern Valley north of Highway 2 as temperatures slip down into the low teens. But look at this. Thanks to some clearing, it will cool off out in our western counties. As we go through the overnight, many of you could start the day below zero. The rest of us 5 to 10 degrees as we're heading out on our Friday. Now, the first 3 quarters of Friday look very quiet. But in the midday hours, we'll see snow developing and really spreading its way towards us as we go into the afternoon hours. As temperatures rise once again to near 20 for many, by the drive home, snow will begin accumulating, but it does not come with a lot of wind. There could be some wind in the South Dakota hills. Other than that, it looks like just some of that straight snow that falls down and makes roads slippery. Give yourself extra time. Through the evening, the snow continues for southeast North Dakota, spreads northward towards the Highway 2 corridor and points north, and the wind continues to increase down to the south. It looks like the snow continues into the overnight hours, but by Friday evening, many areas will have a trace to 2 inches of snow on the ground already. 2 to 4, though. Southeast North Dakota will have the most prolonged period of snow tomorrow night. The snow continues into Saturday morning. As we make our way through the day, we'll see that it spreads from the Red River Valley, and on Saturday it continues as another band redevelops from southeast North Dakota into central Minnesota. This band could shift a little bit, which would change where we're thinking the snow totals will be, but a heavier band could set up. Heading into Sunday, see all these wind arrows? The snow that we get will begin blowing and drifting, and I think it will be a pretty wintry weekend for the region. 2 to 5 inches for many that you see in the area, including the FM area, not far from Grand Forks as well. 4 to 8 in a narrow band possible, and that band could shift, we remind you, so keep that in mind. So as you close out your evening, well, look at this wind sculpted snow there on the flowers. Thanks so much for sending your photo in, Bruce. Planning forecast. First and foremost, the snow exits for Fargo pretty early on Saturday, 23 degrees. Sunday, windy, blowing, and drifting snow. Temperatures falling to brutal cold on Monday morning, 18 below zero. A gradual warming trend and another chance for flakes on Tuesday as we end what likely could be the snowiest February in Fargo's history.
Brutal cold. Been there, done that.
Yeah, bring it on.
Yeah. You got this.
Thanks, Sedge.
You bet.
Well,